Antonio with Enhanced Movements, Boulder County's premier chiropractic pain and injury specialist. Today for Movement Mondays, we're going to be reviewing the bird dog exercise. Bird dogs are a great core exercise and tool that we utilize mostly with our low back pain patients, but it's also a really great warm-up and activation exercise that you can do prior to working out, training, or lifting, or whatever. So a couple nuances and keys that we want to go over, because a lot of people are quite familiar with the bird dog exercise, but there's a lot of subtleties and details that make it more effective for you, especially depending on what you're trying to achieve. So the bird dog, essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be on our hands and knees. Okay, so I'm on my hands and knees here. See if you guys can get me full view here. Hands and knees. Now I usually start off by having an individual start with each individual quadrant by themselves so they kind of understand the movement. And then what we're going to be attempting to do is pair opposite arm and opposite leg. Okay, so I got one arm reaching out, one arm reaching straight back. Cool. Okay, you got a beetle? Good job, sis. Can you keep the beetle outside? No. Keep it outside. Don't take it inside. So with that, we're going one arm out, one arm straight, or one leg straight back. Now notice back leg is not going up high. The higher you go, the more low back extension. We're simply trying to reach the bottom of the heel straight back to the wall behind us. Make a fist and reach straight out in front of you. The goal is to make a super long line with your arm and your leg. Now with that, we're working on anti-rotation here. So the goal is to not let your pelvis either raise up and twist or drop down, and vice versa. As I come up, I shouldn't be twisting my whole body and arm. You'll see this with range of motion deficits either in the shoulder or the hip. The individual is trying to get higher, thinking height is the key. Really the key here is taking points of contact off the ground, making it more challenging for our core. Now some cues that you can think about internally that might help you is reaching to the wall in front and reaching to the wall behind, or balancing like a glass of water on your lower back to ensure that you're not twisting or moving all that much. So one more time all together, you'll see it here. You're going to reach out, reach back. Okay, you can hold, right? You can go slow, you can tap in and repeat that on the same side. Then we'll switch sides, reach forward, reach back. Okay, so that's our classic bird dog exercise. Again, a lot of different applications in which we can use it, but those are some subtle cues that we use in our office to make it more effective for you. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you next week.